Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. What are the top domain name generators? So there are plenty of generators out there, but out of this is the list of the top 5 domain name generator that I found out on the internet. So the first one is Domainwheel.com, as you can see. So it's a very good tool for generating domain names. We have plenty of option to play with. So first let us search for a keyword that we are looking for. Let's say craft, and we can sort or we can select the domain extensions we want and click on search. So as you can see, it shows all the possible results, all the possible names that are available for our domain. So let's go for the next one, which is lean domain search. So this website is also similar to the first one. So let's go and enter the title or the keyword and click on the search. Just wait a second, it takes a while. So in this website we have this cool feature that it only shows us the result with the .com extension. So it possibly won't show us different extensions. So we can sort out the results with these filters if you want, and it gives so many results. As you can see, it keeps going on. So yeah, that's also a good tool. So let's go to the next one. This is a very popular tool, Nameboy, very useful and handy tool. So let's go for this keyword craft and search for it, and let's wait for the results. As we can see, it gives us the results, and we can see some more results appearing, and we can see the extension also. So another good tool for domain name generator. Next one is namelicks.com by Brandmark. This tool is very useful for multiple reasons. They give out lots of features, so we can choose from short names, medium and long ones. Let's go for short one, and it takes a while, and we can see it gave us plenty of results, and as well as it also, because this was created by Brandmark, so they also give us logo designs as well with the brand name. So if you want, we can go and choose them and use it as our logo. Next one is Panabee, Panabee. So this website is similar to other ones. Other cool feature about this was, we can see, we can set out the domain we want. There is a list of domain available, so we can choose it from here, or if you want .com, then leave it as it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this useful. See you in the next one.